R.K. Acting Academy is the best platform to learn acting and sharpen your skills. Hey guys, this is me ज़ीर ठक्कर। मैं रहती हूँ बॉम्बे में और मैं हूँ एक एक्टर। तो आप लोगों ने मुझे देखा होगा दंगल के शो दीवानी में, कलर्स के शो बालिका वधू सीजन 2 में और ऐसे कई सारे शोज में। At R.K. Acting Academy, they help you to turn your dreams into reality. Whether you are a beginner or you want to sharpen your skills, at R.K. Acting Academy, they offer you a training that builds your confidence, creativity and techniques needed to succeed. This is the place where they train you that how to do acting, and if you are an actor but you want to grow more, then they help you to sharpen your skills. And one more thing, they offer you a free accommodation and they help you that अगर आपको कोई शो में कास्टिंग के लिए या आपको वो काम दिलवाने में बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. So this is the right place where you get a full package. Join us at R.K. Acting Academy.